The human mind, the most powerful weapon you'll ever own. Reason number one, to understand yourself. When you study psychology, you start seeing a mirror reflection of your own thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. You begin to understand why you think the way you do, why you feel certain emotions, why you react the way you react. And this is incredibly powerful. Because when you understand why you behave a certain way in a situation, you gain the ability to change that behavior next time. Let me explain with an example. Most of us feel super confident at home. We can talk freely, we can express ourselves without fear. But put the same person on a stage in front of a crowd, and suddenly their voice shakes, their mind goes blank. Why? Because of psychology. Now imagine this. If you understand what's happening inside your brain at that moment, if you understand the fear response, the anxiety trigger, the next time you can control it instead of letting it control you. And this isn't just theory. Take Oprah Winfrey, one of the most famous American talk show hosts and producers. She had an extremely difficult childhood and struggled with depression for years, but by understanding psychological principles, she completely transformed her life. And there are countless such examples online, people who changed their lives simply by understanding their own minds.